Have you heard of the limited effects theory? Let's talk about how it's applied in marketing. The theory suggests that media doesn't have as much influence on people's opinions and behaviors as we once thought. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. In fact, Lazarsfeld's study on the impact of media on voting behavior found that people are more influenced by their social environment and interpersonal communication. It's important to consider this when developing marketing strategies. So, how can we apply this theory in marketing? By focusing on building relationships with our target audience and leveraging word-of-mouth marketing. By understanding the limited effects of media, we can create more effective and targeted marketing campaigns. It's about connecting with people on a personal level.